Hi. I want to take you on a journey to delve deep into a silent epidemic that lies within our modern lifestyles, a deadly association that affects millions of people worldwide, a subtle partnership between physical inactivity and diet rich in fats in the realm of kidney disease. Our kidneys, the unseen heroes of our body, they go beyond working tirelessly daily to filter and eliminate waste and poisons. Did you know that your kidneys have at least 6 other fabulous functions for which they should be rewarded? Okay. I guess you don't know. Yeah. I was expecting this. And these include production of red blood cells and vitamin D. Wow. I personally find this amazing. However, in today's fast-paced, convenience-driven society, our kidneys confront unusual challenges, resulting from sedentary lifestyles where hours are spent glued to screens and poor nutritional choices have become far too frequent. Chronic kidney disease is any condition that causes reduced kidney function for more than 3 months. The Center for Disease Prevention and Control estimates that 1 in 7 US adults, which is 37 million people, have kidney disease, with 9 out of 10 remaining undiagnosed. I mean, 9 out of 10. See how close that range is. So 9 out of 10 people remaining undiagnosed. This means that many people in this room, unfortunately, might have kidney disease but have no idea. Early kidney disease has no signs or symptoms, so most people with kidney disease show no symptoms until their kidneys are about to fail. Kidney failure is the end stage for chronic kidney disease progression and requires a procedure known as dialysis, where your blood is filtered by a machine, or an alternative kidney transplant. Unfortunately, dialysis is expensive and has negative impacts on the patient's quality of life. And on the other hand, we do not have enough kidneys available for transplants. I know some of you are getting scared. I know, calm down. Don't panic yet. Walk with me. We're still on a journey. Ideally, we can intervene early during chronic kidney disease to prevent patients from progressing to kidney failure. But this has proved challenging. When compared to other chronic disorders, treatment options for kidney disease is limited because the disease is complex and is progressive. Additionally, we do not understand how kidney disease develops because we are still researching that. That's why I'm a PhD student. Many treatment options for kidney disease treat the major risk factors, diabetes and hypertension. But most people with kidney disease do not have diabetes or hypertension. And risk factors like physical inactivity and obesity are still understudied. So this is where my research comes into play. My lab uses mice to study complex metabolic diseases. Mice has contributed significantly to our understanding of how diseases like diabetes and hypertension contribute to kidney disease. However, how diabetes and hypertension contribute to kidney disease. However, risk factors like obesity and physical inactivity, despite being recognized as independent risk factors for kidney disease, are still severely understudied. So we delve deep into scientific research to generate a new mice model to understand this interplay at a physiological level. Developing such a model is crucial for understanding kidney disease mechanisms, identifying biomarkers, and testing potential therapeutic targets for kidney disease. To achieve this, we made mice sedentary and fed them a high-fat diet to mirror aspects of our modern lifestyle to improve our knowledge on how chronic kidney disease develops. What we uncovered was both enlightening and encouraging. In our mice, sedentary lifestyle and physical inactivity did not directly cause chronic kidney disease, but increased their risk. Notably, mice displayed obesity and metabolic imbalance. Although their kidney function seemed normal, we observed variations in kidney damage markers that are predictive of early signs of chronic kidney disease. Existing research has showed that one major common feature for obesity-induced chronic kidney disease is impaired mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell's powerhouse that is responsible for generating the amount of energy needed for our kidneys to perform its function. The good news is physical activity has been shown to improve mitochondrial function. Physical activity has been shown to improve mitochondrial function, which will ultimately reduce the risk associated with obesity, hypertension, diabetes, and ultimately kidney disease. We believe that physical inactivity and high-fat diets can set the stage for kidney disease, and in the presence of other additional risk factors may wreak havoc to these precious organs, a journey of no return. If you are not currently practicing a healthy lifestyle, it's not too late to make things right. You still have a chance. What does this mean? The answer lies in understanding or recognizing the power of small incremental changes, whether incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, choosing wholesome nutrient-rich foods, or seeking guidance from healthcare professionals to reduce the risk associated with getting kidney disease. Although physical inactivity and high-fat diets may pose as a big challenge, it is one I believe we can overcome. As I conclude, let us pick a path marked by awareness, resilience, and a dedication to maintaining the health of our kidneys, and by so doing, our total well-being. Let us begin the journey, another journey, not the one I started. A journey, let us begin the journey towards uncovering and revealing the battles and the hidden threats of kidney disease. Thank you.